And it's just transformative. I'm never going to stop singing the praises of EFT. It really, really helped me in my life. I mean, it was, like a game changer. And it taught me things that I just never understood about myself before, and helped me to tune in to what was really going on in my mind and in my body, and gave me a tool that I could use anytime I needed it to help myself. And that's what's so wonderful about it, and why I want to share it, because many people are on waiting lists trying to get help, constantly phoning, trying to get appointments for help, and overwhelmed and not really coping and don't know what to do. And they may have tried a few different things and nothing feels like it's working. Well, I would say come and try EFT, because